Hey everyone, and welcome to my Bravo Telecom Internet review. Links to their plans and services are down below. In this video, I'll give you a straightforward look at Bravo Telecom, covering its features, performance, and who it's best suited for. Bravo Telecom is a Canadian internet provider serving both homes and businesses with reliable, affordable high-speed internet. They offer DSL and fiber optic plans designed for various needs. Bravo Telecom focuses on cost-effective internet without compromising performance, making it great for anyone needing dependable service at a competitive price. One highlight is their flexible pricing and no-contract plans. They offer speeds ranging from basic browsing and email to high-speed options perfect for streaming, gaming, or working from home. Their fiber optic plans deliver incredibly fast and stable connections for those who need top speeds. Plus, they offer unlimited data, so no worries about data caps, even with heavy streaming or working remotely. Bravo Telecom's customer support is generally well received, with 24/7 representatives available. However, check their coverage map as availability might be limited compared to larger providers. While Bravo Telecom offers solid service at affordable rates, verify availability in your area before signing up. So, if you need reliable high-speed internet on a budget, without long-term contracts, Bravo Telecom could be a perfect fit. For more on their plans and services, check the description below. Thanks for watching.